In this video, I will show you how to repair your corrupted photos on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you have pictures or photos and you want to correct and repair them, so very simple and easy way, just visit this website repair.wondershare.com. Now download the software to your PC and install. Once you successfully downloaded, you have to follow these three steps. Add corrupted photo file, then click on repair, then preview and save. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve, and you can correct and you can repair corrupted photos, images or pictures in your Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.